exercise 8b unitary method and time and work. So today topic time and work. If a man if a man can complete one work in X days, so 1 day's work of mine a man 1 upon X part. Okay, suppose that, for example, if a man can, this is example, a man can complete a work in 20 days, then 1 day's work of a man equal to 1 upon 20 part of work. Okay, and second rule, same. Second rule, if a man can complete a work, if 1 day's work of man, if 1 day's work of a man is 1 upon X part, then man can complete full work equal to 1 upon X, means 1 into X upon 1 equal every days. Okay, this is the yes, question number 1, first part. 8 men can do a piece of work in 28 days. So 1 man does same work in 28 into 8, means 8 8 is 64, 6 8 2 is 16, 6 22 days. Okay, and 14, so 14 men do the same in equal to 28 into 8 upon 14, or we can write 224, that we can write 224 upon 14 will divide. Okay, 14 1 ja 14, 8 4 14 7 ja. Okay, 14 1 ja 14, 8 4 14 6 ja 84, so 16 days. This is the answer. Okay, number 2, 1 man can do a piece of work in 3 hours, another can do the same piece of work in 2 hours. How long will they take if they work together? So 1 hours work of a man, 1 man equal to 1 upon 3 part, 1 hours work of another man equal to 1 upon 2 parts, 1 hours work of both, 1 hours work of both equal to 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 2. 2, 3 ones are 3 upon 6, 5 upon 6 part. Both can complete the work equal to, I told you 1 day's work of both is given and they will complete full work equal to 1 upon 5 upon 6. So we can write this 5 upon 6 equal to 6 upon 5 hours. Means 1 whole 1 upon 5 hours. This is the answer. Okay. 3 men, Suresh, Ramesh and Dinesh can do a piece of work in 9 hours, 18 hours and 12 hours respectively. How long will they take if they work together? See, 1 hour's work of Suresh, 1 hour's work of Suresh equal to 1 upon 9 part 1 hour's work of then Ramesh 1 upon 18 part and 1 hour's work of Dinesh 1 upon 12 part 1 hour's work of all Suresh, Ramesh and Dinesh equal to 1 upon 9 plus 1 upon 18 plus 1 upon 12. Dear students, will find the LCM. LCM will be 36. 9 4s are 36. So 4 1s are 4 plus, or we can, what we'll do, 9 4s are, so 1 into 4 plus 18 2s are 36. So by 2 will multiply up also. 12 3s are 36. Then 1 into 3. It is 4 plus 2 plus 3 upon 36. It is 6, 9 upon 36, 1 upon 4. It is 1 upon 4 part. All can complete in 1 hours 1 upon 4 parts. So all 3 men, all 3 men can complete a work. Yes, all 3 men can complete a work equal to 1 upon 4 equal to 4 days. How? 1 into 4 will go up, 4 upon 1. So 1 4 is 4 upon 1 equal to 4 days. Okay. 4, I think it is 4 hours. Okay. 4 hours, not days. 4 hours.